Okay, here it is. There's the size of my hand. I've got quite big hands. There's the cordura sheath. Let's get it out. And there you have it. Blade, I think, is about, I think that is a good 8-incher, at least, maybe 9. It's got a sort of plain handle, 3/4 tang, I think, with a lanyard hole. It's just got, hasn't got any, it's just been studded through the handle. Hasn't got any liners or anything. And it came in this sheath. It comes with this sort of female Alice clip here, which it's not bad. It's not a bad sheath, but I'm not too reliable on these clips. Not too happy about those at the moment. But what I'm going to do, instead of using a saw or like a Laplander type backhoe pruning saw, I'm going to use the machete to basically make a fire and burn this big pile of wood. I think it's within my range. I'm probably going to make the fire there. It's got plenty of room. We're on a slight slope, and let's have a look. All the branches are sort of decent size. Let's have a quick bash with this. Well, that's not bad. That was probably about, well, see, it's a reasonable thickness. Made light work of that. So I will